Ever wondered how custom lighting is made? This bulb holder starts as a digital 3D design, measured, modeled, and refined. Before printing, the model is optimized for strength, heat resistance, and precision. Then the printer takes over, building the parts layer by layer with almost zero waste. The bulb holder is printed layer by layer, allowing complex shapes and clean details with minimal material waste. After printing, the part is cleaned and refined to ensure a smooth finish and proper fit. The holder is assembled into the chandelier and fitted with electrical components. Everything is installed and checked for safety and alignment. And just like that, the chandelier comes to life with a clean, modern finish. Custom lighting made possible with 3D printing. Don't forget to like and subscribe.